Are you trying to remove a family account on Cash App but can't find a delete button anywhere? You're not alone. And today, I'll show you exactly how to remove a family account step by step. Stick with me till the end because this process is a little different than you might expect. First, open your Cash App and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find Account and Settings and then tap Family. Here's where most people get stuck. You won't see a direct remove or delete option for family accounts. That's because Cash App doesn't let you manually remove a family account inside the app. Instead, you'll need to contact Cash App support. Here's how. Go back to the main settings page and scroll all the way down to support. When the support page opens, tap account and settings, then scroll to find sponsored accounts. Inside that section, select canceling a sponsorship. Take a quick moment to read through the information provided. It explains how family accounts work, then scroll to the very bottom and tap Contact Us. From here, select the chat option. A live chat box will pop up and connect you with Cash App's support team. In the chat, clearly explain that you'd like to remove a family account from your profile. Send the message and then wait for a response. The support team will guide you through the final steps to complete the process. And that's it. While there's no one-tap delete option for family accounts, contacting Cash App support is the fastest and safest way to get it done. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Cash App guides. And don't forget to check the description for more helpful resources.